AI just got a whole lot more intelligent at creating video ads. Introducing Creatify 3.0, equipped with the latest AI ad intelligence to help you create data-driven strategies and winning video ads that fuel business growth. With the new Creative Insights feature, you can gain inspiration from hundreds of video ads and uncover the secrets behind their strategies. Save these inspirations and share them with your team or clients. Learn from your competitors in your industry and see what works and what doesn't. You can even track brands and compare ad scores. Dive into each scene to identify which elements excel and what can be improved. Turn these inspirations and insights into winning creative ads 12 times faster. Using our newly improved AI video ad tool, featuring AI smart matching that automatically aligns your script with the ideal tone of voice, selects the best performing hooks, AI avatars, call to actions, and even chooses the most effective scene types for your video ads. Enhance your videos further with the upgraded video editor, now featuring an enhanced UI for a better look and performance. Enjoy new timeline snapping, additional function buttons, and other exciting features. Review your video ads once more using Creatify's Creative Insight. Create smarter, better performing ads. Subscribe now to fuel your business growth with Creatify.